Welcome again. In this lecture we will see how to read images in both color and grayscale, and also how to access the properties of these images. So don't forget that all the codes and data in this course will be available in the link below. First, I have created here a folder called data, where I will put all the images and all the data that will be used in this course. So now first let's create a new file that I will call image manipulation.py, and I will import CV2 and numpy. First let's load the image here that we have used the last time. So I will call it image cv2.imread. We'll give it its path, which is data and storynight.jpg. This image has, let's show its shape. For example, if we print its shape, it will shown here in the command in the terminal of PyCharm. So I will run the code, and its height is 600, its width is 752, and it has 3 channels, which are the blue, green, and red. So this is how to access the properties of an image: its height and width and the number of channels. If in the case of grayscale images, this number of channels won't be shown here, it just will be the height and the width. For example, if we convert this image to a grayscale image, it will be, for example, grayscale image CV2 converts color from this image, and we'll give it cv2.color of BGR to gray. And if we print here the gray scale image, let's take this out, dot shape, and if we run we can see here its dimensions are just the height and the width without a number of channels, because it is a grayscale. If we display them, so if we say cv2.imshow, that's original image, or the colored image, and imshow the grayscale image, and give it that grayscale image, and don't forget to say cv2.wait key to be shown in the screen. Run the code like that, and here we can see the grayscale image and the original image. So this image has just 1 channel, and this one has 3 channels, the blue, green, and red channels. Now let's comment this line here and this also, and if we, for example, want to access the number of pixels in the image, it will be image.size, and just like that. So we have this number of pixels in this image, and also the same in the grayscale. If we print here the grayscale, so in the grayscale we have just pixels in 1 channel. However, for the image, for example, if I print them here, range.size, this 3 times, this number here is 3 times this one, because we have here 3 channels and here just 1 channel. So what are the type of these images? We can also access the type of this image. They will be some numpy arrays. So the type of image is, and also the same for the grayscale image, it will be the image here, or the grayscale image. So there are some numpy arrays. And we can also access the type of the data inside the image itself, so inside these numpy arrays. So if we want to access this, we can say image.gtype, and they are integers uint8, so numpy uint8, and also the same for the grayscale image, grayscale image.gtype. The OpenCV by default reads the images in BGR format. If we want the images in RGB, sometimes we need to use the images in other libraries such as Matplotlib, for example. We may need to convert these images from BGR to RGB. So to convert an image from BGR to RGB, it is easy with OpenCV, just like saying RGB image, it is cv2.convert color of that image from, or it is image cv2.color from BGR to RGB, just like that. And if we show these images, cv2.imshow BGR image, which will be the image, and cv2.imshow RGB image, which will be RGB image. It will change the channels. It will show the red channel first and the blue channel as the last one. So we need to say cv2.weightkey, weightkey 0. Save and show them here. So this is the RGB color. It is not like the original image, because here we change the two channels, the red and the blue channels. This is how to convert from a color space to another one, from the BGR to grayscale or from the BGR to the RGB.